Hello everyone. Today we are discuss natural law and legal positivism in the business. Natural law and legal positivism are two competing philosophical perspectives on the natural and role of law in society, and both have implication for business practices. Natural law is the idea that there is a universal and objective moral law that is inherent in human nature and governs the behavior of individual and societies. In the context of business, natural law theorists argue that ethical principles such as fairness, honesty, and respect for human dignity should guide business practices. They believe that business have a moral obligation to act in the best interest of society as a whole, not just their own self-interest. Legal positivism, or the other hand, in the idea that the law is created and enforced by human authority such as governments or legal system. In the context of business, legal positivism argue that business should follow the law and regulations that are established by the government or other legal authority. They believe that business should act in their own self-interest within the boundaries set by the law. The application of natural law and legal positivism in the business world can have different implications. For example, natural law theorists might argue that business have a obligation to provide fair wages and safe working conditions for their employees, even if it is not required by law. Even if it is not required by law, they might also argue that business should consider the impact of their actions on the environment and society as a whole. Legal positivism, on the other hand, might argue that business should focus on maximizing profit within the boundaries of the law. They might argue that businesses have no obligation to go beyond what is required by law, even if it might be morally desirable to do so. In practice, many businesses take a hybrid approach that incorporate employment elements of both natural law and legal positivism. For example, business might comply with legal requirement while also implementing ethical standards and practices that go beyond what is legal required. Natural law and legal positivism are two different philosophical perspectives on the nature and role of law in society, and both have implication for business practices. While natural law theorists prioritize ethical principles and the common goods, legal positivism focus on the law and the pursuit of self-interest within its boundaries. Many businesses take a hybrid approach that incorporates both perspectives.